Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with a new video. Here you can see a green parrot. It's a small chick, like one and a half month old chick. It was fallen from a tree and I don't know, they were left down. So it's time for the rescue. So I brought it home 3 days before and I just started to feed biscuits and gram dal, which is like soaked in the water, and now it's actually well. I'll just try to keep at least for more than 2 weeks until the feathers are grown up. After that, we will try to leave it again in the place where I found this bird. Like you can see, this is the small chick. The tail is not yet grown and the feathers are almost growing. It would require at least 2 weeks more, and after that soon it will be flying in its own environment where it's supposed to be, and I'll try to upload the video of that also. And if you enjoy watching this type of video, you can click on the subscribe button, and if you like this video, please click on the like button too. And thank you for watching, and we'll be back with another video very soon. Bye. Thank you for watching.